Hello everyone, this is Indra with you and you guys watching Trading with Love.
One of the newer players in the crypto space is Cardano, and it's been steadily gaining traction among investors. Over the past month, the price of Cardano has exploded by more than 55%, compared with Ethereum 4% gain and Bitcoin 1% drop. While Cardano may be the new crypto on the block, it has some big advantage. But is this the right time to invest? Cardano was created by the co-founder of Ethereum, so the two cryptocurrencies share some features. Both allow the development of smart contracts, for example, digital agreement that use blockchain technology to verify transactions. Some investors believe smart contracts have the potential to revolutionize society, particularly the legal industry. Compared with Bitcoin, Cardano is more energy efficient. Bitcoin uses a proof-of-work protocol during the cryptocurrency mining process. That means that to verify transactions and earn tokens, Bitcoin miners must use a high-powered computer to solve increasingly difficult puzzles. That's extremely energy intensive, and Bitcoin has drawn criticism for impact on the environment. Cardano, on the other hand, uses a proof-of-stake protocol, through which miners must put their own crypto holding at stake to verify transactions. This results in faster transaction times and significantly less energy usage. While Cardano has plenty of advantage, it has downside as well. Primarily, that is not as well known as competitor. Bitcoin is the most popular cryptocurrency and has the most name recognition, giving it the first mover advantage in the crypto space. Ethereum is the second most popular cryptocurrency, and it shares many of the same advantage as Cardano. Not only does it also host smart contract, but it's planning to move to a proof-of-stake network as well. Ethereum is also home to non-fungible tokens and decentralized finance movement, giving it more real-world utility than Cardano. Of course, this doesn't necessarily mean Cardano won't find ways to outperform its competitor. Down the road, it is still a relatively new cryptocurrency with room for growth. Also, cryptocurrency is not a zero-sum game, so it's possible for multiple currencies to coexist with their own advantage. Before you invest anywhere, whether you buy cryptocurrency or stocks, make sure you are taking a long-term outlook. You should only invest in Cardano if you believe it will perform well over the next several years or decades. Investing is not a get-rich-quick tactic, so try not to get caught up in trendy investment that could make a lot of money in the short term. Do your own research, this is not a financial advice.
Alright, thank you for watching and I hope this video gives you more information and knowledge. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe and share it to your social platform, and see you again in the next video. Ciao!